We'll guide you through how to import FBX with texture in Unity. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To import an FBX model with textures into Unity, begin by opening the Start menu on your computer by pressing the Windows key or clicking the Start icon on the taskbar. Type Blender into the search bar and select the top result to launch the Blender software. After Blender opens, click on the model you have created to make sure it is properly selected before exporting. Next, go to the File menu, choose Export, and then select the FBX Export option from the list. Choose a folder on your computer where you want to save the exported files so they are easy to locate later. In the Export settings, enable the Selected Objects checkbox to make sure only the chosen model is exported. After checking the settings, click the Export FBX button to save the file. Once the export is complete, click the UV Editing tab located at the top of the Blender interface. Select your main color texture, then open the Image menu and click Save as to save the texture image separately. Save the texture image inside your Unity project folder so it can be imported easily later. After saving the texture, reopen the Start menu by pressing the Windows key again. Type Unity into the search bar and open the Unity application from the results. Wait for the software to finish loading completely before continuing. When Unity opens, choose the project you want to use for your model import. Wait again until the main scene fully loads and the editor becomes responsive. Next, click and drag the saved FBX file from your computer folder directly into the Assets window in Unity. After the file appears in the Assets window, drag the FBX model into the scene view to place it inside your project. Then drag your saved base texture image files into the Assets window as well. Finally, select the base texture and drag it directly onto the FBX object to apply the texture correctly. After the texture is applied, inspect the model inside the scene view to confirm that the materials display correctly and that the object appears as expected. If the texture looks stretched or missing, return to Blender to check the UV map and export settings, then re-import the updated files into Unity again.